D8R bulldozer. Making a mess today, moving some rocks and building a nice road. And we got an operator that knows what he's doing here. I think they're doing good, Lair. Rondo, our expert bulldozer driver, on the machine today. Road building. Beautiful day for road building. Could use a little moisture, you know, a little rain would help, but we're doing pretty good. According to Mike Vargas, that DA bulldozer weighs, I think he said 170,000 pounds, or maybe 86 tons, I believe he said, which is very, very heavy. Okay, Larry, give us some words of encouragement or wisdom. Mark was fishing, Larry was netting. Oh my God, I'm gonna quit. Isn't that giant fish? God, that fish is huge. You bent the lure? I've never seen a trout that big. Go ahead, hold them up, Mark. Oh my God.